Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Arabella Hair. This is my second time collaborating with Arabella Hair, and they did not disappoint. I feel like every single time I get a highlighted curly wig, I'm always like, oh yeah, it's giving Beyonce, it's giving Beyonce. But I feel like it's not giving like the kind of texture that I wanted to give, and this hair is definitely giving that type of texture. It's very soft, like it's soft to the touch. It was easy to install. I did wash this wig. I did not have to bleach it or anything like that. I just washed it and I did not put any product in it, and I really love how big and fluffy it is. And you can see the ends still have I'm on the phone. Yeah, you can see how big and fluffy it is. It's very, very soft. They did not disappoint. I'm actually really happy with all of the Arabella wigs that I've gotten so far, this one and the previous one. So yeah, this wig is actually going to be a giveaway wig. So if you guys want to enter my giveaway, make sure you leave a comment down below just telling me why you support me, why you want to win this wig, just anything, and you'll be entered into the giveaway. I want to show you guys what came in the packaging. You will also be winning this as well. And if you want to purchase this wig by yourself, like just for your own self without entering the giveaway or winning giveaway, I'll have Arabella links down below, including this hair link. The specs for this wig, this is their piano color Waterwave wig. This is the number 4/27, and it is 250% density. It is 26 inches, so it falls right here on me. Like if I pull it, it's down my back, but because it's curly, it's like right here. I absolutely love how this wig looks. It's super, super pretty, super soft. So if you're looking for a blonde type of Beyonce inspired wig, I definitely recommend that you guys check out this one. I am blown away. I'm really happy about this wig. I love how the edges and everything turned out because I was just doing like a glueless method, so I could just pull it off my head. I did do my pin on the side method. If you want to wear your frontal wigs, and since it's summertime and it's hot and you don't want your wig lifting off of your head, I definitely recommend bobby pinning it down to the sides, so then it has some type of tension so it will not fall off your head. So this is the bag that the wig came in, and then it just came with some goodies. It has an Arabella headband, a edge brush, lashes, pin, and wig cap. And then it just came in the standard plastic packaging. If you guys want to see how I put on my frontal wig glueless and quick and easy, and you want to follow along with me, let's get right into this video.
She called to you just for him. She called to you just for him. One day she called to you just for him. 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 One day she called to you just for him. 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 She called to you just for
Okay, you guys, this is the end of the video. This is how the hair turned out. I absolutely love it. Let me know if you like it. Don't forget to enter the giveaway by leaving a comment down below. Don't forget to check out Arabella hair. I will have the links down below in the description box and the links to this wig. I truly appreciate you guys. Like I always say, if you do not win this giveaway, make sure you stay tuned to the next video. That will be a giveaway as well. And to see if you won the giveaway or not, just check my community tab on Fridays. I'll have it uploaded. And yeah, thank you guys so much for supporting me and checking out my channel, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.